How to log in to your Scotia Connect account. Now, in order to log in and access your Scotiabank's business account in 2026, you just simply need to open your browser. Then after that, search for Scotia Connect. Then this first link of scotiaconnect.scotiabank will appear. You need to open it at very first. After opening that, you will be in a new page where it will say you to welcome to Scotia Connect. Now here you will see a bunch of options, and first one is user ID. In order to log into your Scotia Connect account, simply enter your user ID in this upper box, then enter your password associated to that account in the second box. Then after that, you can check this box in order to save your login information in your browser and tap to sign in button after entering those details in here. Then you will successfully be logged in to your Scotia Connect account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.